Alright, friends, it is now time for our science lesson. Whoop, whoop. Alright, and so for our science lesson today, friends, we're going to continue our pushes and pulls unit. And I have a very, very fun activity for you all today. Before we get to that, we have to go over our schedule for the day. Now, our schedule is just like it's always been. We have an objective to do, a central question, an I do, a we do, and then a you do. And then we're going to wrap it up. Sound simple enough? Thumbs up if you're ready. Oh, yeah. All right, here we go. So our objective is mirror. Ooh, great job. I can construct a roller coaster using 3 or more surfaces and 3 or more forces. Skirt. Teach. Alright, great job with the objective, friends. Now it's time for our central question. Mirror. Ooh. How can I construct a roller coaster using forces and surfaces? Teach. Alright, you guys did a great job with objective and essential question. But now it's time for one of our activities today. Now, instead of going over our vocabulary we've been doing the past couple of days, I thought it'd be fun for us to listen to a video about pushes and pulls. Does that sound like a good idea? Yeah, I think so too. So everybody go ahead and stand up. Okay, listen to the song. Here we go.
Children's songs make your brain and body strong. Forces make things go up. Forces make things go down. Forces make things go back and forth. Forces make things go round and round. Forces push, push, push. Forces pull, pull, pull. Here are some things that forces make move. When you slide your chair back in place, a push is the force that makes it move. When you jump up high in the air, a push is the force that makes you move. When you come back down from a jump, a pull from gravity makes you move. Forces make things go up. Forces make things go down. Forces make things go back and forth. Forces make things go round and round. When you tug the rope in a tug of war, a pull is the force that makes it move. When you bend down and pick up a book, a pull is the force that makes it move. When you fly a kite in the air, a push from the wind makes it move. Forces push, push, push. Forces pull, pull, pull. Forces make things move. Forces are all around. If you like
Alright, great job, friends. Go ahead and take a seat back down. Alright, and now it's time. You guys did a great job with that song. I loved it. Now it is time for us to start on our activity for today. Now this is going to be a very fun activity for y'all to do. But just to remind you what we're doing, we've been invited to compete in the fastest roller coaster challenge. Now for this challenge, we must create the world's fastest roller coaster using only objects we can find around the house. So yesterday when we were doing our science lesson, I told you about the assignment that to do and how we're finally creating our roller coaster using the plan that we did yesterday. Now in that plan remember we had to use 3 different surfaces and 3 different forces. Alright, if you had those in the plan, we're going to put those into practice today. So, what I'm going to do is today you're going to actually create your roller coaster using the plan that you created yesterday. Now what you're going to do is you're going to follow the instructions on your create page, which is attached to this assignment, to create your roller coaster. And I'll show you an example of it right here. So it's a little better. There we go. Alright, so this is your create page that you're going to be working on. So the first step, it says, is to build your roller coaster using your plan. So that means you will take the plan that you created yesterday and will actually build the roller coaster. Alright, when you're done building a roller coaster, when you finish that, the next step is when it's finished, use a marble, or in this case you can use a car, anything rounded, whatever you want to use, to test the time it takes to go from the beginning to the end of your track. And then you're going to record your times below. So that means once you finish creating a roller coaster, then you're going to time your roller coaster. So you're going to take an object, let's say a marble, and get it started at the start of your roller coaster, which we'll say is here. And you let it go through, and you're going to time to see how long it takes for your marble, or whatever object you're using, to get to the end of your track. Then, when it gets to the end, you're going to take that time that you found and put it in this spot. So let's say that my roller coaster, or my marble, took 23 seconds. So I will put right here in the first test run, 23 seconds. So you're going to have your object go through your roller coaster 3 different times. And after each one, you're going to put your answer on the table. So this is for the first time it goes through, this is the second time, and the third time. And I would also like you to do on your create sheet, you have to write, there's a place for you to write some sentences. And this is talking about to write down any way your plan changed as you built the roller coaster. So let's say you're building a roller coaster and you find that you don't have enough track or enough cardboard or whatever you're using to build it. So you have to come up with a way to fix that. So if you come up with a new way, let's say you decide to use carpet instead, you can write a sentence about that here. So I would say, my plan changed when I ran out of paper and I had to use wood instead, just for an example. So I like to do, after you've built your roller coaster and did some test runs and wrote about what changed from your plan, I would like you to take a picture of this page and post it onto Seesaw. And I also like you to film one of the runs that you do for your roller coaster so I can see what you've built, and then post it onto Seesaw too. Alright, that's a lot to do, but I think you guys can handle it. Thumbs up if you're ready. Alright, so I'm going to let you guys go, and you're going to go build your roller coasters, and remember to test it 3 times with an object, and then post a video of it to Seesaw. I can't wait to see your roller coasters. They're going to be so awesome. Good luck, scientists!